standard students and parents, are you worried about the term and exams have come and we want to score 95 plus in chemistry? Chemistry is very volatile, and the latest trend about the CCT, the critical creative thinking, CBE, the competency based examination, and the assertion reasoning questions, the concept based questions are very difficult. How to cope up in this last minute's preparation? Don't worry, I'm here to help you out, and I'm Selvarani with 25 years of experience in chemistry, and I'll help you out and make chemistry as a fun learning for you. And the concept based learning, and which will make easy for you to understand what is important in the examination point of view, what concepts we need to study first, and how to remember the equations and the formulas in the easiest way, how to solve problems and to score very good marks in the MCQ examinations. Now, for that, join my live workshop for the 10 days, where the 10 days, 3 days I'll be teaching organic chemistry, and 3 days physical chemistry, and 3 days inorganic chemistry, followed by the doubt clearing sessions, and 24/7 the app will be available, and the LMS platform with the video recorded will be available to you. And also the MCQ questions can be solved at your own pace. This unique learning will never happen, and I am on a mission to help children to score chemistry in a very easiest way and to make them sure that they are confident in facing the term and examination. Then join my workshop, click on to the below link and register yourself. Limited seats are available.